Hi, my name is Adrienne Colson, and I want to go over my physical education newsletter at theshapeamerica.org. It's an organization that serves as a voice for over 200,000 health and physical education professionals. You can click on here for a direct link, and I also provided some quick links by clicking on the pictures here, here, and here to take you healthy eating, hot topics, and adaptations to your lessons. And it's a quick little teacher's toolbox. On the next one is myplate.org, and it's to help parents, students, and teachers to teach them how much we should eat and why it's important to eat the correct portions of fruit, vegetables, grains, proteins, and dairy. My next organization is actionforhealthykids.org. It's a national nonprofit that brings together dedicated volunteers and partners to make schools healthier places for kids to thrive. And do you want to learn more about staying healthy? Quick book and a little quick read for students is for literature, and it's Move Your Body. Was written in 2014 by Gina Balsellaro. And it just quick little tips of why we should stay healthy, what's good ways of stretching, anything to get you ready. And for this book, it's a quick pick big race on field day. And the two articles I chose were how much exercise your kid needs based on the latest research. You can click here for the full article. And the article is written by Jacqueline Howard, and it just basically tells you how much exercise a kid should have and why parents should get involved in participating in these exercises with their child. The next one is 10 healthy habits parents should teach their kids, and it's written by Dr. Karen Gill, and it just discusses a few articles in Healthline of the reasons why eating healthier can lead to a longer productive life, and it gives the top three that I picked were habit number 1, which is making eating colorful food helpful. Habit 2, don't skip out on breakfast. And habit 3, enjoy family meals by forming a bond. Thank you.